Make a great choice today with the 2024 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.